Hi everyone, my name is Logan Harrell, or as most people refer to me in the summer, Miss Lifeguard. My selfie is a direct reflection on where I am currently in my life, and I'm excited to tell you about it. I grew up on the coast and I have a love of all things water, so whether it's jumping into the river, the pool, or the ocean, I feel like the water has always been that one thing that really rejuvenates my soul. However, I feel like we tend to underestimate the power of water, and that's why my job is so important. This summer, I'm working as a park supervisor at my local water park near my home, teaching the next generation how to swim, and by default, working on my tan. Being a park supervisor is no small task. I oversee regulating chemicals, maintaining a functioning and orderly staff of mostly high schoolers, and most importantly, ensuring my park is running safe and effective. At any moment, I could be handling an unhappy mother, a lost child, or a guard needing my help or seeking my assistance. I've been a loud and outspoken person my entire life, so what better place to work than an outdoor water park, right? My favorite part of my job, while not photographed because they were still working, is my staff. I love being able to work with and mentor high schoolers that work in the park as a summer job. Their personalities shine through at the park and really make every day a new adventure. If you're ever in St. Mary's, stop on by the St. Mary's Aquatic Center. We're open 7 days a week. I'd love to meet you. As I mentioned before, we often underestimate the power of water. As a swim instructor, I am able to teach the next generation how to be safe and get the most out of their water experience. I teach babies from 6 months to 3 years of age how to survive in case of a water mishap. I love introducing babies to the water and teaching them how fun it can be, all the while giving them the tools they need to survive in case of a water emergency. I love watching the bonds that form between parent and baby in the water and seeing the enthusiasm there is to learn water safety. By default of working outside in the sun all day, I always have a killer one-piece tan. As you can see, I'm wearing my one piece right now because it covers my tan lines perfectly. From my selfie, you can tell I never miss an opportunity to represent the red and black, and I never cease the opportunity to say, "Go Dogs!" I look forward to meeting with and working with you all this summer. I'm going to leave you with this message that rings true to most of us during the summertime. Remember to always wear your sunscreen and walk! Thank you. Again, my name is Logan Harrell.